Hi there, so this is my C4 Grand Picasso 2011 model. Electronic parking brake was faulty. I had a message for a while now. Service center, taking a while to source the button, so looked on YouTube and there's a guy that said he cleaned it up and put it back together and it was all good. So we tried to do just that. Remove the trimming by first opening both doors on either side of the center console. Grab the trimming by both sides, pull it up and towards you, easily comes out. The next section does not need to be done. We just didn't know how to properly remove the button. So it's just two clips on the top of the button and it easily comes out. After that you have to remove the cable.
There we go.
Again, it's just you gotta push the back section. There's 2-3 sort of ridges that you can feel, and there's a lever that you gotta pull up or down depending on how you hold the button itself. We pull the button apart, remove the 4 screws that you can see, and that's what it looked like on the inside. We tried to get it to work by pressing the 2 micro switches. We did get some feedback, but there's also a blue rubber piece that seems to come into play in the way that the button actually functions. So we cleaned it, sprayed it with electrical contact spray, put it back in its slot, and before testing it we just decided to put it all back together just in case it worked. Once we put the ignition key, sometimes that sort of thing happens. You put the ignition key and the car sort of resets itself, but no, unfortunately it didn't work. We tested the button and it got stuck on the second try, as you can see now, and so pulled it up, no good, tried it again, and the message on the dash that you can see there, it was parking brake faulty, automatic parking brake applied. And yeah, once we removed the trimming, the plastic was so brittle that it just came apart. New button required.
Ahora está horrible, se va a ver.
So once we got the replacement button, again just remove the old one or what remained of it and fit the new one. For your reference, we were quoted $360 for a replacement parking brake switch from the service center. In my opinion, as you can see, it's quite simple to do once you know how to pull it out. From the dealer themselves, an original part costs you $195, I believe. I looked online, but with shipping to Australia it's nearly the same price, so you're better off buying it from them, unless you can find a second-hand part from auto wreckers. There's a guide on the right hand side of the actual switch, that one right there. Slotting done. Fit the trimming. We'll check now with the key in the ignition, see if it's actually worked. Okay, so good signs. The parking brake is not flashing anymore and there's no yellow triangle with the alarm, so all good. Now time to test the switch, see if it actually does work. Step 1, the parking brake has been released. So second part, the parking brake applied. So all good, success. So unfortunately at the end for us we just needed a brand new button, not just a clean. Okay, I hope that somebody is helped by this video, and have a good day. Bye bye.